We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. It's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears, not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. It's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is
Sige!
Open, sandali! Nakalak naman! Okay! Sige pa! Open na! Delay!
Yun ba? Isa pa o? Isa pa?
Dito na lang! Pangay dyan! Kakatapos lang eh! Kakatapos! Wala. Ay, wala.
Ito na nga yun. Sige.
Ay! Meron na! Wala.
Meron yun.
Meron yan!
Sige. Sige.
Ay, sa taas. Sa taas.
Ayan, ka na.
Niya mo.
Meron pa, dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa. Ang sakit ng likod mo. Tatlo. Pasok ka dyan sa door 6 or door 7. Tapos dun sa door 8, re-raping ka na, joke. Tatawa ka. Dalang kadila, dalang joke rin pa. Eto sa kayo. Oo nga, eto. Anong gagawin natin mga una?
Swimming na?
Swimming.